In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the memory limit for Elementor, the popular WordPress page builder. If you've been using Elementor and noticed some sluggishness or have encountered issues, you might need to adjust the memory settings. Today, I'll guide you through this process with clarity, ensuring your website runs smoothly. First things first, let's understand why adjusting the memory limit might be necessary. Elementor, like any robust software, requires sufficient resources to function optimally. When your WordPress website is tasked with managing a significant amount of content, running complex page designs, or integrating multiple plugins, it may start hitting the memory limit, leading to performance issues. This is where increasing the memory limit can make a noticeable difference. Before we dive into making changes, it's essential to back up your site. This way, you'll have a recovery point in case any unforeseen issues arise during the process. Keeping regular backups is a good habit that can save you a lot of trouble, not just in this instance, but any time you make adjustments to your site. Once you've got your backup, we'll move on to accessing your website's files. You can do this via a file transfer protocol, or FTP client, such as FileZilla. Alternatively, you might have direct access via the file manager in your hosting control panel. Either method will work. The key is to navigate to the root directory of your WordPress installation, typically public HTML. When you're in the root directory, locate the wp-config.php file. This is a crucial file that manages key configurations for your WordPress site. Download a copy of this file to your local machine before making edits, as this serves as an additional safeguard. Now, open up the wp-config.php file in a text editor of your choice. Notepad works fine for Windows users, while Mac users might opt for TextEdit. Within this file, you'll need to locate the line that says "That's all, stop editing. Happy blogging." Usually, it's toward the end of the file. Right before this line, you'll need to add the following code: define WP memory limit 256 MB. This line of code instructs WordPress to increase the memory limit to 256 megabytes. Feel free to adjust this value according to your specific needs, but 256 megabytes is typically sufficient for most situations. Remember, however, that more is not always necessary, and excessive memory allocation could indicate mismanagement of resources elsewhere. After you've inserted this line of code, save your changes and re-upload the edited wp-config.php file back to the server via your FTP client or file manager. Once uploaded, it's a good idea to clear your browser and website cache to ensure that the changes are effective. And that's it. You've now successfully increased the memory limit for Elementor, which should help enhance its performance significantly. Spend some time navigating your site to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, retrace your steps, checking the code you've added for accuracy.